This is my video demonstration for task 8.1D. In this task, we had to use the BH1750 sensor using the I2C communication with Raspberry Pi. The hardware setup for this project is really simple. The VCC is connected to 3.3 volt on the Raspberry Pi, ground to the ground, and the SCL and SDA pins to the SCL and SD of the Raspberry Pi respectively. In order to know more about the SMBus communication and the I2C libraries, we can check more details about it by just simply searching on the Google. I2C stands for Inter-Integrated Circuit. It is a popular communication protocol used to connect multiple digital devices to a microcontroller. It is commonly used for connecting sensors, displays, memory devices, and other peripherals to microcontrollers, such as the Raspberry Pi. The I2C protocol uses two-wire interface consisting of a data line (SDA) and a clock line (SCL) for communication. The SMBus library in Python provides a convenient way to interact with I2C devices on systems like Raspberry Pi. In the code, firstly we imported the SMBus library and then we created an instance of the SMBus class. Bus is an object of SMBus class which is used for I2C communication. The argument 1 passed to SMBus specifies the I2C bus number. On Raspberry Pi there are two I2C buses, the bus 0 and bus 1. We have to select the appropriate bus number depending on the hardware configuration. The data from the I2C device is read using bus.read function. Address is the I2C address of the target device, which is set to 0 into 23 in the code. It is the register address from which data is read. 2 specifies the number of bytes to read. Then the received data is converted to integer values. Int from bytes is used to convert the data into integer. Then we've used a while loop that reads the sensor data, and if the intensity is greater than equal to 1000, it prints too bright, and similar conditions are put according to lumens of the light intensity, and the intensity is also printed. And this code keeps running until it is interrupted by a keyboard interrupt, and the code gets exited. As it can be seen in the video, that when the Python script is run, the sensors start giving select values. When I bring a flashlight near the sensor, the values change. Also, the message printed gets changed. First, it was printing light as to dark, then it changes to light as dark, then to medium, and then bright, and finally going back to too bright. These are the values that are mapped with the values from the sensor data.